Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have 2019's Kikki.K Christmas Advent Calendar. This is the third year I've been unboxing these. Firstly, the box is about the same size as last year, but as you can see, it's all pink with rose gold foiling. It's really nice. Just so you know, this Advent Calendar was $149. I'm sure you can get a discount. Kikki.K tend to do a lot of 20% off discounts, but it seems to be the same price every single year. It's around the $150 mark, but I think that's pretty typical for Kikki.K. They do tend to brand themselves a little bit more upmarket than most other stationery brands. It is massive, so as you can see, it's a very big box. I'm going to just show you guys quickly what it looks like flat on my floor because I don't have space on my table. So just to give you guys an idea, this is what the entire Advent calendar looks like when it's opened up. Sorry, I have to put it on my floor. My table is just kind of not big enough to open up the entire thing. Okay, great. So without further ado, let's just get onto the unboxing. So day one is it's a bookmark. It's like a leather bookmark. I have no idea what it is, but there's a little trinket on the edge. Actually, I'm definitely going to use this. I've been reading a lot more manga and I need more bookmarks to be continued. That's kind of cool. It's very simple and understated. Okay, so we'll move over to day two. I'm just going to do a lot of moving back and forth just so it can fit in the camera. I will say this feels a little better built than last year because the doors are easier to open. Oh, okay, I think these are little gift tags. Yeah, little hole here where you can put string and then you can just write some details. So it's just like a bunch of cards. How many? Looks like there's 5 of them. I don't want to open everything because I'm probably going to have to give away some of this stuff because I can't imagine myself using everything and I hate to open it and then, you know, give it to somebody. So yeah, that's for day 2. Day 3 is on the other side. Just keep moving everything all over the place. Yeah, the doors are definitely better made, much easier to open than last year. Last year was just a nightmare. Oh, awesome. It's like a little notebook. A tiny little notebook. There we go. With lined paper. Cute. Number 4, back over here, of course, right in the middle. A really big bulldog clip. I think I've seen this in pretty much every single year. They always have these. The last couple years it's been gold, so it's nice to see a rose gold version this year. 5 is back here again. It's a tiny little window for it. It is, what is this? Oh, it's like little pins. Yeah, it's basically like a little clear pin. And you get 5 of them. Next is 6, which is just under here. Super convenient. I notice I'm not breaking my nails like I was with the Smiggle calendar. I felt like literally my nails were breaking. Okay, so these are metallic, not metallic, what am I talking about? Magnetic bookmarks. So you put it over the piece of paper and then you just bookmark it like that. I do feel like these, you can't put too many pieces of paper in between, like 1 or 2 sheets at most. 7 is over here. Looks like it's probably going to be a pen or something. Yep. Again, this is one of those pens that seem to appear in every advent calendar I've had with Kikki.K so far, but with different colors. I think the first one was a gold and that was silver. I could be remembering completely wrong. But it's not surprising, everything's going to be rose gold this year. And in my experience, it's a ballpoint pen. It's got a little bit of weight to it, so some people love it, some people don't. I don't tend to use the Kikki.K pens. They're not my favorite. I find that the Kikki.K pens aren't as ergonomic as some of the companies that really specialize in pens, like the Pentels and the Pilots, so I tend to steer clear of them, but I'll keep a few just because they do look pretty. And they're just good for decorative purposes. Ooh, what is this? Not seen this one. Maybe I'll just open it up and see if I can figure it out. Is it like a sticker or something? Oh, it's okay. It's a sticker, right? Why is it yellowing on the sides? I don't actually get why. Alright, I'm going to assume this is like a sticker. I don't know if it's a special type of sticker, like for fabric or something. It's cute, but there's like no description, so I'm not totally sure. 9 is down here in the corner. Yep, another one that they usually do for every advent calendar, which is just a bunch of paper clips, but it's their own version of the paper clip where it's like a spiral. Actually really useful, and I do use them for work, so I am actually going to use those. 10 is over here. Alright, this is like a pen holder. I like that they have tried to glue everything down so it doesn't move around, because in the previous years they did slide around quite a bit and it was just a bit not as fun. Okay, yeah. Oh, you can put 2 pens in, 2 pens. So you just loop it around your planner. So it does help close your planner, and then you can put 2 pens in here. Very cool. 11 is over here. More Kikki.K pens, okay. As I said, I don't really use the Kikki.K pens. I feel like they're just not as, I don't know, they're just, Kikki.K is really more of a lifestyle sort of brand, so that makes sense why they wouldn't focus on the pen so much. But yeah, standard pen, usually 0.5, 0.7. I do feel like standard pens generally are on the thicker side because that is what the majority like. Okay, 12 is up here. Oh, everything's on the same page at the moment. Love it. Oh, okay, this is like a pin. And it's got a quote on it. I'm really curious to know what the quote says. Okay. It says, there's no such thing as too much stationery. Yeah, this is very accurate for me. I need this in my life. This is pretty much perfect. So if there was anything in this advent calendar that was my favorite, I feel like this is the winner so far. So 13 is back here in a little square itself. Oh, washi tape. I think it's washi tape. Yeah, pretty thick. Oh, there's 2 washi tapes in here. That's why. I was gonna say it felt really deep. I'll say that this half of the box versus this half, this is like much thicker and taller. Can you guys see? Whereas here it's like much thinner. I don't know if that makes sense. So we've got white with like chevron shapes, dark blue, and then we've got like stars, twinkle stars, rose gold and pink. So 14 is down here, and oh, okay, yep. See this every single year. Ooh, it's like a little pack of stickers with just a bunch of little quotes that you can put on gifts and stuff like that. Very, very cute. 15's over here. Oh, it's a little calendar. Yep. The good thing about unboxing Kikki.K advent calendars every year is I can tell what is always there and what isn't. So this one comes in all the boxes. It's very cute. 16 is down here right at the bottom. I'm gonna open this up off camera because I can't fit it in. Oh, it seems really heavy. I don't know what this is. I thought it was a bookmark when I first saw it, but it's like metal. Oh, it's a metal ruler. Okay, you can like see my camera and everything, but yeah, metal ruler with inches, and you can put some ribbons on it if you want. Very cool. Yeah, very cool. This wasn't in any of the boxes last year, so this is definitely a new thing. Okay, 17 is right here. Oh, okay, string. Oh, I love this color string. It's like, it's not rose gold, it's like metallic pink. I really love it. So you got 3 meters, which I assume is what you can use to thread up all the things you've seen so far. 18 is back here. Oops, sorry, I'm hitting the tripod. That's how close I am to the edge. And, okay. This I think we had last year, but it was paper. So you've got little, like, pegs. These are, like, clear with strings, so you can, like, peg up cards that you receive. So if you string this up somewhere, and then all the Christmas cards you get or don't get, I don't know. I still haven't done my video for Christmas cards yet because I still wasn't sure if I was gonna do it. I think I'm just gonna do it, to be honest, but I need to find time to actually film that video. 19 up here. Sorry, my desk is becoming a bit of a mess now. The downside of all these like little stickers at the back is that they're sticking to everything. But that wouldn't happen if you were normally unboxing this. Oh, magnets, love it. Okay, every year they do include magnets, and I use all of them. I'd show you my little magnet board if it wasn't atrocious looking right now. It's very messy, but I keep them all on there, and I use them all for different photos. I'm pretty sure this is magnet. Actually, is this a magnet? Or is it a sticker? Guys, it actually, I think these are stickers. Like, yeah. No, they're not sticking to metal. I'm trying to put it on a tripod. So these are actually like metal stickers. Wow, okay. That's new, definitely new. I thought they were going to be magnets, but now they're stickers instead. I don't know what I'm going to use them for. I would have preferred them to be magnets. They're cute though. So 20 is down here, which is more washi tape. Every year they have like a glitter washi tape, which is nice, but it's always on the thicker end, so this is much better suited for gift wrapping than it is for planners in my experience. 21 is right next door, which, ooh, I just ripped the door, sorry, but it is what it is. baby bulldog clips. Again, it's a thing that they have every single year. You get 3 little ones and then you have that big one. 22 is over here. I'm getting to the end of this video now. Oh, okay, I definitely can use this. It's basically just like a to-do list, but numbered to-do list. Yeah, very cool. So 23 is down here at the bottom, and it is these little cards that usually every year they'll have little quote cards. I am excited for this day and everything it brings. It looks like it is the quote cards for this year. Yep, I'm excited. I live in the moment. I am present always with myself and loved ones. Yeah, it's a bunch of quote cards, which I love their quote cards, to be honest. Kikki.K do really great quotes. 24. Ooh, 24 is up here. And to do, there's like another little notepad. Yeah, it's like a miniature notepad. I think they do this every year. I think I've seen this in most years. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah. Oh, it's sticky notes. All right, perfect. A bunch of sticky notes. Love it. And then the last day, day 25. Let's see what they have. It used to be a candle most years. And it's like an acorn. An acorn. No, it's not a candle, but it's like a little acorn cup. Guys, how cute is that? That is 2019's advent calendar for Kikki.K. I hope you found the video useful. That is exactly why I do these videos, so you can make your own informed decisions when it comes to purchasing gifts for yourself or friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.